Hello friends, my name is Gaurav. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve array related problems provided by Leetcode. If you haven't watched my old videos related to array, it's recommended to check those videos. The link is in the description. So we are going to solve this merge sorted array. We are given two integer array, num1 and num2, sorted in non-decreasing order, and two integers m and n that representing the number of elements in num1 and num2 respectively. So we are going to merge num1 and num2 into a single array sorted in non-decreasing order. The final sorted array should not be returned by the function, but instead be stored inside the array num1. To accommodate this, num1 has a length of m plus n, where the first m elements denotes the elements that should be merged, and the last n elements are set to 0 and should be ignored. Num2 has a length of n. So if we have an input whereas num1 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 000, m is equal to 3 and num2 is equal to 2, 5, 6 where n is equal to 3, the output should be this. The array we are merging are this and this. So technically this and this one. The result of the merge is this with the underlined elements coming from num1. So in the similar example, the example where num1 is 1 and m is equal to 1 and num2 is empty, n is equal to 0, the output is 1. Okay. So let's see how we can solve this in C#. So let's initialize some variable. So we are going to take index for the last elements in num1. Say int index1 is equal to m minus 1. Now similarly we take the index for the last elements in num2, which is int index2 is equal to n minus 1. Now third, we take the index for the last position in the merge array. In merge index is equal to m plus n minus 1. So here index 1 is set to the last valid index in num1, considering only the elements to be merged, and index 2 is set to the last valid index in nums2, and merge index is set to the last position in the merge array. Now we are going to merge element from the end to the beginning. We are going to use a while loop for that. Let's say while if index 1 is greater than equal to 0 and index 2 is greater than equal to 0. So this loop compare elements from the end of both arrays num1 and num2 and places the larger element at the end of the merge array num1. It decrements the corresponding indices and the merge index. So let's see how we're going to do this. So basically we are going to write if num1 at index 1 is greater than nums2 of index 2, we are going to num1 of merge index is equal to num1 of index 1. So if the element at nums1 index 1 is greater than nums2 index 2, then places the num1 at index 1 at num1 merge index and decrement the index 1. Similarly, else we are going to, if the elements at num2 index 2 is greater than, then place the num2 index 2 at nums1 merge index and decrement the index 2. So in both the cases, we are going to decrement the merge index. Now, if there are any remaining elements in num2, that is if index 2 is greater than or equal to 0, we are going to copy them to the remaining position in the merge array. So I can write maybe if there are remaining elements in num2 copy them to the merge array. So we are going to use a while loop again, where if index 2 is greater than equal to 0, num1 of merged index is equal to num2 of index 2. Index 2 minus minus and merged index minus minus. So here's a code. Let's run and see if the code works fine. We have a compiler error where num1 does not exist in the current context. Oh, it's nums1. So basically it's nums1 and nums2, 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 nums, and let's see to run the code again. Spending, judging. The name index does not exist in the current context. We have something, which line number? Line number 32. Oh, it should be index 2. And let's run the code again. Finished. The answer is 122356 and expected answer is 122356. So it's matched and it's worked perfectly. I hope this step-by-step explanation helps. Please try to solve this problem in any other language like C++ or JavaScript, which is supported by Leetcode. Or if you have any other better solution to solve this problem, please enter your code in comment section. I will definitely check and give my heart if the code works perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please do like the video and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe the channel.